On the morning of Tuesday, the 21st of February, Mercedes officially launched their car, which will compete in the 2012 Formula One season. Unveiled by drivers Michael Schumacher and Nico Rosberg, the car, christened as the F1 W03, has undergone some major changes when compared to its predecessor.
It's quite different. 80% of the parts are new. The whole car is lighter. We have more room for balance weight. We have a longer wheelbase, and I think we are aerodynamically stronger.
The new car, which is now made of about 4,500 parts as compared to 4,300 in 2011, is lighter, better packaged and more efficient. Changes have been made keeping in mind the need for a more aerodynamic machine.
Well, aerodynamic has been the weak spot for our last two current cars, and that is where we mostly focused. And well, it was a hard winter for all the guys in many areas, mainly focused on aero, and we'll hope that it pays out.
The F1 W03 is also the first car built by a Mercedes technical team that was strengthened last year with recruitments at every level of the organization. And driver Nico Rosberg seemed quite happy with the new car, which is built by the new team.
The first drive of my new car was good. Everything was working as planned, felt very compact, agile, nice to drive, good feeling, so good positive start.
With the team looking good for the championship this year, the F1 W03 might just be their winning horse. Motorsports has always been a platform for manufacturers to constantly develop new technologies and push their boundaries.
Heroes always stand head and shoulders above the rest, providing thought leadership.
On the morning of 22nd Feb, the country's leading bike maker Hero MotoCorp took a step in that very direction. Hero MotoCorp announced their tie-up with the famed Eric Buell Racing from the USA in a bid to further enhance and expand their R&D capabilities.
It is now indeed our pleasure to sponsor two of EBR teams at the AMA Championships.
To get a scoop on what Pro-Am Racing is and who it will benefit, we caught up with Editor-in-Chief Adil.
Pro-Am Racing is basically America-based. It's a great thing for EBR because the hero money will help EBR have a little bit of stability to run with the big guys. Whether they'll be able to deliver the championships by beating the big guys is the million-dollar question or the billion-dollar question.
Of course, the machine of choice will be two Buell 1190 RS Super bikes for the two teams.
Now we are only trying to move into a...
And if the words of Pawan Munjal, MD and CEO of Hero MotoCorp were anything to go by, then the Indian market could soon see some high-performance race bikes make their way soon.
The fact remains that Hero MotoCorp is known for bread and butter utility commuter motorcycling. It's great that Hero wants a high profile, so Eric Buell meets the exact nature of that profile. It needs to develop a vast range of bikes whereby it will be known as a full range bike maker, which it is right now not.